Okay, mic check. Check, check, check. Hello. Hello. Mic check. Hello, hello. Okay, just in case the mic isn't working. But we're at our local park and I am just about to enter the observatory area. And yeah, this is kind of the view we're looking at here. I decided this is near school number 1. I decided I want to come up here for lunch, have my drinky, have a little bit of a lunch, make my way home. Hopefully all is good. So if the mic's not working, I don't know what I'm going to do. I just snapped. Let's see if I can show you here. Let's get back to normal. So I just snapped the clip on the mic. I just snapped it off. Just now, I was trying to attach the mic to my lapel and it got snapped off, which sucks. So when I get home, I'm gonna have to glue another clip on. I said clip on, not strap on. So here's one of the observation posts. Very nice view. It's too bad they got all these trees in the way, but look at this. Let's just scan this. Okay, let's go on the wide. And it's not letting me go wide. So this is as wide as we get. That's nice there. There's the ships I see every morning on my way to school. Or on my way to school number 3. Can I put you guys down here? Because I gotta hold the mic. Okay, it's not letting me go past 3x soon. But yeah, there's the ships. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right down there, and another 1, 2, 3, 4 in the back. You see there's 3 there, and then there's 1 there. So yeah, nice view. Nice view, guys. Look at that. There's the cell towers up there. What else have we got here? Let's go back to normal zoom. Okay. Yeah, and I want to use the washroom, but they don't have any toilet paper here. Fuckers. So it looks like after lunch, on the way home, I'm gonna have to hot foot it pretty quickly. Okay guys, looks like we're back. I had to take a pause here for a second because of all the wonderful things he does. I had to free up some storage. So we're going to go to the top of this guy here, see what it's like. Now this is my first time at this park, so it's kind of cool. Slowly but surely walk up these stairs. Let me just reset the gimbal here. Look at this. Zoom in there. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, this is as good a spot as any for lunch. I can see a lot down there. But yeah, I had to hop foot it the entire way up here. Literally. So yeah, I came most of the way up the mountain for the school, and then just the rest of the way up the mountain for to get to this location. So let's sit down, flip the camera around. Okay guys, it's time for a little lunch, a little bevy. Where could I put this microphone? Because like I said, I snapped it, the clip. Okay. Clear cooler, cheers! And for lunch, we have kimchi fried rice. Kimchi fried rice. Where did I poke that hole? Now I heated this up at the school just before I left. And I knew full well I should have went to the bathroom. I was contemplating it, and I said, there'll be a bathroom up here. And there is a bathroom up here, but no toilet paper. So I should have played it more safe. And went at the school. Well, in theory, I got to pass the school on the way back home anyway, so I could just drop off and or drop by the school and use their bathroom. If I could prop the mic up here. Will that work? No, it's not going to work. Where can I put Mr. Microphone? Will this work? Okay, maybe I just have to speak. No, I don't know. I don't know how I don't know how I'm going to work this thing without the clip. Stupid clip. Anyway, cheers, guys. Can I fit you down here? Yeah, that'll work. That should work. Kimchi fried rice, boys. Itadaki. Not bad. Then they got sesame seeds in here, and I do not like sesame seeds. And the first bite I took was a big whack of nori. This one's got the kimchi.
But this is kind of nice. I could get used to this. It's a beautiful view. This rice isn't too bad. Not too bad. It's pretty cheap. How much was it? I picked it up at 7-Eleven. So with tax, 378 yen. Whoa, 600 calories? Holy shit. 615 calories. 378 yen. So that's pretty substantial. I'm used to paying, it's like 100 yen, 100 calories. I don't know if you can hear that wind. The wind's picking up. Okay, I finished 3/4 of it. I finished the rest of it at home. Getting breezy, 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 breezy. Breezy, breezy. Wish I want to have a smoke before we head out. I don't think you guys can hear that, but there's a hawk nearby. wish I could have. I'd have to do it someday. Come back up here someday when it's not a snow day, and set up the big tripod so I can get the over the bars view here. Let me flip the camera around here. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we could just get a nice wide panel shot. Just start at one end. Zoom in. There we go. Now I'm really curious as to those apartments way up there on the hill. Can you see them? Right there. Over there, right there, right there. There's nothing else in that area except for that set of apartments. Can you hear the hawk? It's over there somewhere. Sounds like he's right behind me. Behind these trees somewhere. Right behind those trees. Right over there somewhere. Okay, let's grab my bag. Let's get moseying, guys. Okay, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Change you back to the regular angle. Grab our drinky and try and make our way down these stairs without falling. I got both hands occupied. Now the view is beautiful. It's too bad that this park isn't, they don't keep up with it. It's not kept. The garbage bin is full and overflowing. Toilets. There's the garbage bin there. Overflowing. The toilets have no toilet paper. What's over here? What's down this way? Little chickadee over there. Do you see him? Oh, dee. Oh, they'll do the flower bed. Somebody will come and do the flower bed, but not the rest of the park. Wild boar. Be careful, wild boar. Look at this. Check this out. Gnomes. Little gnomes. Okay, I gotta put you guys down for a second. I gotta take a leak. Will you stay? You gonna fall down? Put you here right now. Hey guys, I'm back. Half a kilo lighter now. Half a kilo lighter. Let's check out these gnomes again. Hang on, let's leave my drink there. Let's correct the angle on this. We got the pine cones. Little gnomey gnomes. Little gnomey gnomes. Oh, there's somebody down there. Okay, so let's mosey on and make our way back home, guys. This isn't the way I came in here, but we will take this way down. Let's see how it goes. Steep stairs again. Konnichiwa. So here's like a part of a little shrine thing. Actually, I am kind of surprised they didn't have a shrine. Signboard. Let me just pan this up a bit. Oh, yeah, there is a shrine here. There it is. It's currently locked. This is interesting. This is cool. This reminds me of Horsehead Shrine near my house. Very tiny, very, very small. Look at these steps, guys. Look at that. Look how steep this is. Shit. And the banister's on the other side. I need it on the right-hand side. Which means I gotta switch hands. Hang on. Actually, let me just fix my backpack. Okay. Cheers. Bing. Let's make our way into the depths of the forest. Oh, and there's your, the bad lucks. They tied it to the tree here. Oh, these steps are precarious. Oh, not impressed. Not only are they uneven, they're tilted. Some are long, some are short. Whoa. Oh my God. It's almost like I gotta walk sideways. My foot, I don't know if I could show you this. My foot does not fit. No, the gimbal's not gonna work. It wants to stay upright. My foot does not fit the steps. Like, my foot is longer than the step itself. Whoa. That was one uneven step. And it was tilted downwards. Fuck me. Holy shit. Well, considering it was a shrine, yes, it really literally is. Holy shit. Okay. Put on my gloves. I'm going to get tetanus from this railing. Speaking of which, I'm due for my tetanus shot soon. We made it. We made it partway. Oh. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's fucking scary, guys. This is deep forest, man. No wonder they're saying look out for wild boars. Okay, next set of steps, and I see the torii gate down there. I'm walking so slowly. You know, when you're walking, okay, especially if you're walking downhill, and you're walking slowly, and your legs start to vibrate with every step. That's what mine are doing right now. Tons, all these little leaves that you see on the steps, these are Japanese maple. Look at this, guys. Like, look at how thick some of this bamboo is. And there's something rustling in the leaves down there. Maybe tanuki. There's definitely something down there. Doesn't sound that big. Could be a cat. Okay, almost at the next landing. Okay. There's the torii. I wonder what's with the stone rubble on top.
Was that put there on purpose? There's no way it could have just fallen there naturally.
That's interesting. Little mini shrine. They got an offering there. They got some kind of plant. That looks like an orange plant or something. There's a mikan, little New Year mikan there. Sake cup. Somebody dropped off a Coca-Cola bottle. Is there one on this side? No. Yeah, what's with this stone rubble up top here? Very strange. Well, strange to me anyway. Very peculiar. Okay. So there's the gate itself. Can't read that kanji. I have to get the wife to translate it for me. Now here's some really old style kanji right there. See how it's curved and not boxy anymore? Well, over time, kanji became quite boxy, straight lines, whereas the old style kanji is very curved. Looks like we're almost at the main road. Well, sorry, not even close, but we're getting there. Let's down this way. Okay, there's a path down here. Where do you go? One thing I like about Sasebo, doesn't matter where you go, it's nearly impossible to get lost. Doesn't matter where I am, all I gotta do is find the bay and I get home quite easily. Oh, look at those houses. Wonder what's up here. Okay, let's take a quick peek. Oh, they've got a rope. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign. Oh, wow, look at this. Just stumbled across it. Little Buddhist shrine. That is so cool. Okay, hang on, guys. Okay. 3 little incense sticks. Okay, this isn't working, so I gotta turn you guys around for a second. Put you down. Will you stay? Will you stay or will you go? Will you stay or will you go now? Come on, stupid wind. Okay. One there. One there. One there. Okay, let's keep on moseying. Oh, wow. I am not making it down there. It's just a straight drop off. So it means I gotta go back the way we came. That was kind of cool, a little mini Buddhist prayer area. I wouldn't say it's a temple. Okay, let's keep on keeping on, guys. Keep on keeping on. Oh shit, look at this. Carved right into the side of the rocks. I didn't even notice that. This is so cool. What a find. 43,971. Okay, that's the symbol for mountain there. 43,971. Does that mean 1971? I don't think so. Show up? 43? I don't know. I'll have to look it up when I get home. Look at the rockwork. Look at this. I can't even pan up that high. Super cool. Look, there's another symbol over there. Can you see it? Let me see if I can zoom in.
See it? Something river. Looks like there's other. I'm not sure if that's natural scratches. No, those are not natural scratches. Okay, wait. Let me just get closer.
See right there. Can you see it?
See, it looks like water. You see the symbols there? Somebody carved this, so it does look like something river. Water splashing. Fucking cool.
Okay. The things you find, huh? The things you find. Now, I have a sinking suspicion I'm on the opposite side of the mountain to where I live. Yeah, I gotta get down there. Okay. More stairs. Lots of steep one. And more stairs. Fuck. Okay. Where could I put you guys? Where can I park you? I'm just gonna park you over here for now. Because I have to check the GPS. Wow. I got a tortoise head coming up my ass. Okay guys, I gotta pause the video for a second, just for a second while I check the GPS. Okay, just checked the GPS. I thought this road felt familiar. So, I just stick to this main road here. Now it's bright. Bright, 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 bright sunny day. Yeah, I can sing, right? So I'm not exactly on the opposite side of the mountain. If you think of a triangle, right? We were at the tip of the triangle, which is the top of the mountain, and one side leads closer to home and the other side leads further from home. But the base of the triangle, it's the exact same road. Both exit points lead to they lead to the same road. Smell of fresh cut wood. See, that's one of my buses that takes me home. That one's actually coming from the station, which is why this road feels familiar. I've never walked home this way before, but yeah. I wish it wasn't all uphill. Well, it's all uphill for now. Now I'm starting to sweat. Okay, I gotta step up the pace a little bit. Note to self, if I ever go off script again like this, grab a Ziploc bag, pack a roll of toilet paper. Yeah, I just gotta put my drink down, take my hat off because I am sweating. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Oh. Tories architecture. For rent? For sale? Hang on. There's no website. Okay. I'm grunting and groaning. Trying to keep it in. My ass is so puckered. I'm gonna angle you guys up a little bit more. There we go. House Yamaguchi. No, Chiga. Yama something. Mountain Field. That's my bus heading into town, W4. Okay, almost there, guys, almost there. One more bus stop. So I hope the microphone's still working. So I've been clicking the app on and off, on and off. Microphone, it should be picking the microphone up automatically, but I'm not going sure if it's, like I see the LEDs blinking on the microphone, picking up the voice, but I don't know if it's picking it up in the app. Except turning the app on, turning the app off, turning the app on, turning the app off. Oh. Okay, this is one of those situations, guys, where the closer that you get home, the more you have to go. We're almost there. I have to pick up the pace a little bit. Kind of trying to, in my mind, stop dwelling on it, if that's possible. Okay, I can't stop dwelling on it. Puckered. breeze feels good. At the top of the mountain there, it felt quite cool, quite cold. But down here, it's yeah, it's nice. Oh God, I'm puckered. Holy shit. Get rid of my camera. Okay, guys. Let's switch hands. Okay, 7-Eleven's just up ahead, guys. I am going to stop the video here. It's basically I gotta race home as fast as I can. I practically run. So, thanks for joining. I know it was a little bit of a long one, so yeah, I'll stitch this together and I will see you on the next one. Peace! High five.